It is a spectacular fall from grace for a man who was less than 1 week ago one of the most powerful people in Hollywood.
And this scandal isn't just a public relations nightmare for Weinstein and his former company. It could be a legal and civil one as well.
Well, CBS 2's Randy Paige is live with more on the legal side of these allegations and the massive amount of money at stake. Randy.
Well, Pat, Rick, the answer to that question, according to a top legal expert here in Southern California, is whether or not Harvey Weinstein could be charged criminally or civilly has a lot to do with when the alleged attack occurred, because if it is too old, it cannot be prosecuted. The descriptions from alleged victims are graphic.
Will you at least pick up your shirt and let me see your breasts?
And he was buck naked.
And as many as 24 other women have accused Harvey Weinstein of assault or harassment, including Angelina Jolie and Gwyneth Paltrow. So does that mean the fired movie mogul could be facing criminal charges someday soon?
And it all depends on where these actions took place and when.
Former federal prosecutor and Loyola Law School professor Lori Levinson says many states have a statute of limitations on some sex crimes. In California, it's 10 years for rapes committed before the first of this year, so prosecutors can't charge someone for rape and other sex crimes that are decades old. And many of the allegations against Weinstein go back to the early 2000s and late 1900s.
The old cases, it's not likely that he's going to be criminally charged. But if there's something more recent, he could be.
Ambra Batalana Gutierrez, a finalist in the Miss Italy contest, claims she was groped by Weinstein in 2015. She went to New York police and agreed to wear a wire, which produced this snippet from a conversation.
Yesterday you touched my breast.
Oh, please, I'm sorry. Just come on. I'm used to that.
Final say. Were you the final say?
The New York DA declined to prosecute.
If we had a case that we felt we could prosecute, and my experts felt we could prosecute against Harvey Weinstein, we would have.
The problem there is not that the case was too old. It was that the DA was not confident in bringing the case.
As far as civil cases are concerned, the timeline is even shorter. A sexual assault victim must file a lawsuit in court within 2 years. So that means it's an even shorter timeline for those alleged victims who want to try to sue Harvey Weinstein. Let's go back to you.
All right, thank you for that, Randy.